Very good morning, all of you. Welcome back to the online classes. Today we will read the first chapter, that is the best Christmas present in the world. So let me introduce with the characters. First character is Michael Morpurgo, who is a narrator or the writer of the chapter. Connie, she is Mrs. Jim McPherson. She is the wife of Jim McPherson, who is working as an officer in the war or in the army on the behalf of England. And Henswolf is in opposite of Mr. Jim McPherson, who is working as a German officer. So let's start the chapter. In this chapter, what happens? The author found a roll-top desk in a junkyard shop. Junkyard, you understand, जहाँ पुराना सामान मिलता है. So, and the desk was in a very bad condition. So what he thought? He thought that he could restore it. So he bought it and he started working it on Christmas Eve. As he started working on it, what he did, he took out all the drawers, as you can see in the picture, from the desk. He found that these had been badly damaged by fire and water. The man who sold it had told him that it was very old. And it was so old that it has been made in 19th century and made up of oak wood. So as he was taking out the drawers, he suddenly he was stuck at the last drawer, and he applied all the force to take it out. When it opened, it revealed a secret space box. You can see here it is a tin box, and it seems like it had some secret in it. So as he opened the box, what he found? He found a letter, and it was written, Jim's last letter received on January 25, 1915. And in that letter, it was written, to be buried with me when the time comes. Inside there was an envelope with the address Mrs. Jim McPherson. मीन्स जो उनको लेटर मिलता है वो किसके नाम का मिलता है? मिसेस जिम मैकफ्यूरसन के लिए लिखा गया होता है वो लेटर, एंड दैट वाज रिटन बाय मिस्टर जिम मैकफ्यूरसन. ठीक है, मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बताया था जिम मैकफ्यूरसन इज वर्किंग एज एन इंग्लिश ऑफिसर इन द आर्मी. तो उन्होंने अपनी वाइफ को लिखा होता है लेटर. सो एज ही ओपन द लेटर, व्हाट ही रेड, the owner of the desk must have put in it. The letter had been written by the captain of the English army. Means जो जिम मैकफ्यूरसन थे वो क्या थे? इंग्लिश आर्मी में कैप्टन थे. And in this letter he has shared a beautiful incident which happened on his battlefield. The English and the Germans were at war. तो उस लेटर में मिस्टर जिम मैकफ्यूरसन डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं कि इंग्लिश और जर्मन जो हैं वो वॉर पे हैं, राइट? और दोनों आर्मीज एक दूसरे के अपनी अपनी जगह पे खड़ी हैं. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, व्हाट ही सॉ, सडनली ही सॉ अ व्हाइट फ्लैग वेविंग फ्रॉम द एनिमी साइड. व्हाइट फ्लैग, व्हाइट कलर सिग्निफाइज पीस, है ना? व्हाइट जो चीज होती है, व्हाइट कलर हम किसके लिए डिनोट करते हैं? पीस के लिए. So he was surprised, and suddenly he saw that some of the Germans were calling them, and they were wishing Happy Christmas Eve, Merry. And the same English also replied Merry Christmas or Happy Christmas, right? And there were no rifles between the soldiers. And what happened? They saw that the Germans were bringing wine and canned meat with them, right? And Mr. Jim McPherson was highly impressed by the German officer. Who was he? He was Hans Wolf. So that officer came to जिम मैकफियर्सन, जो जर्मन का ऑफिसर होता है, वो इनके पास आता है, जिम मैकफियर्सन के पास आता है, एंड ही इंट्रोड्यूस्ड हिमसेल्फ. उन लोगों की आपस में बातें होती हैं, एंड दे टॉक वेरी नॉर्मली अबाउट द बेस्ट केक ही हैड इन हिज लाइफ, एंड अबाउट दी मीन्स उनकी बहुत ही ज़्यादा नॉर्मल बातें चल रही होती हैं. As they were talking, what happens? Suddenly a soldier brings a football with him, and then they played football match. So there were no war between the German and the English, right? And on the Christmas Eve, they decided to celebrate it. Instead of doing any war, they decided to celebrate together. So this was by this incident, Macpherson was highly impressed, and he wrote this incident to his wife, Mrs. Coney, right? And the same letter Mr. Narrator has found. So after reading this letter, the author put it back in the envelope, and he decided to give it letter back to whom it belonged. So he went out to that address, and what he saw that the house has caught a fire, and the fireman had got her out just in time. Means जो Mrs. Coney थी, she was alive and she was 101 years old, and she was admitted to a nursing home क्योंकि जो उनका घर था उसमें क्या हो गई थी, आग लग गई थी. तो फाइनली जो ऑथर होते हैं, he went to the nursing home, and there he met Mrs. Macpherson. So he sat in a chair, and then what happened? As he sat on the chair, what he saw, her eyes were filled up with the tears as he called Coney. And Coney क्या सोच रही थी कि she was 101 years old. So what she thought that Mr. Jim Macpherson has came back. And what she said, I have read this letter so many times, but today I want you to read this letter yourself. So she was mistaken. वो क्या सोच रही थी, जिम मैकफियर्सन वापस आ गए, and she was considering author as a Mr. Jim Macpherson. So she kissed his cheek and she talked long and lovingly to him. At last, what she said that she got the best Christmas present in the world. Right? This was the story written by Michael.